Everyone, welcome back. So it is finally time for a very first plan with me in my brand new Erin Condren Life Planner. This is the 2022-2023 hourly. Last week you will have seen my setup video. I've changed out the vellum and things like that, but I'm really excited to jump into this neutral harmony. I was really nervous and slightly apprehensive with like the color of the tabs. Like while they're beautiful, I'm so used to either colorful or just gray or just black, so it's very new, but I'm excited to jump into this planner and just hit the ground running for the year with just keeping this book like a creative, beautiful space to hold memories and things like that. Let's jump in. You're gonna see this kit a lot this week, you guys, a lot. So this is kit 428 from Planner Kate. It's got the beautiful Monstera leaves on it. Fun fact, I've already filmed a vertical compact plan with me using this same kit or a similar kit for the compact vertical. And it is just absolutely stunning. So I did grab the full boxes, various washi strips, date covers, and the sampler here. I'm just really excited to try out all of these things and just, yeah. And I also switched to strip headers because I got real tired of figuring out what I was gonna do with some of these individual date covers. I was like, if I know I'm gonna stay in the hourly, it's almost just pointless to sit here and constantly figure out where I'm gonna put things, how it's gonna fit, all of that stuff. So how are you guys doing? I know that's probably, you guys are like, wait, what? So normally I have like a story time for you guys, but it has been a, you know, kind of a stressful week, and then it ended on a very stressful note. So I just, you know, let me know down in the comments, how are you doing truly? Let me know, whatever you're comfortable sharing, put that down in the comments. And if you just need someone to send good vibes, thoughts, hugs, all that stuff, let me know. All right, so kind of digging the strip headers already. Oh my God. Okay, so I have got quite a bit of washi tape here. What do we want to do? It doesn't mean I'm going to make decisions easier. That's for sure. Okay. So I definitely want to go with some of the thinner washi, I think. Question mark, all the question marks. There's just so many beautiful options here. Let's start with putting the dates down first. So we've got the Monday through, oh, that's so awesome. I didn't like this space that would get left in between the dates, if that made sense. I don't know. And of course, Kate has like the perfection with the way that that fits there. I can't even. She always knocks it out of the park. Okay, let's put down the second half of the week. I can't even believe it's July already. Like, what? And I know that's always like, oh my God, everybody says that, but for real, like, I cannot. It would also kind of be pretty to put something above it and below it. Is that too much? I don't know. Does that even like apply to this situation? Who knows? But oh my gosh, everything is so pretty. It's so nice being in a new book too. Like, I know as planner people, you're like, yeah, we get it, because the paper has a very distinct smell, at least with EC paper. Has anyone else noticed that? Definitely has a very distinct smell to it. Not that it's bad, it's just their paper does have an odor. Anyway, all right, I'm already like, okay, I'm done. I'm also thinking, as much as I like this thick washi, I kind of prefer the thinner washi. So don't hate me for getting the thick washi and then not totally using it. I also am going to use this kit in my daily duo because, like I said, I purchased it in every variation in the planners that I'm using. So I got it in the compact vertical, I got everything for a weekly planner, and then I got everything for a daily. I was not messing around. So I'm gonna take this all the way across the page. You guys know I do not really care for the calendar at the bottom. It's just not for me. You'll have to let me know if that's something that you guys use. It's not something that I use, so it doesn't really hurt me to just, you know, get rid of it. Then we're gonna cover up June because we know it's June. Like we're here. It's about to be July. All right, there's that. Now let's lay down the weekend. This is where I do love the fact that I got the extra washi, is because I think it would be fun to put a washi strip behind, except it's green. Do I want to do, oh, let's do let's do this washi. It really helps to get the extra washi, you guys, because especially like if you don't want to get daily duo kits or daily kits, whatever planner you're using, if you don't want to get those, you don't have to. But getting like the one sheet with the extra washi strip, you can decorate your daily or any other planner that you're using, especially if you're kind of like minimally decorating your pages, then it doesn't have to be anything too serious. But oh my God, perfection. All right. That looks great. Now let's focus on the sidebar. So I'm gonna go ahead and use these event labels for the sidebar. That's like one of my goals this year, is to actually use my sidebar. If you saw my planner this past year, it was like all over the place. I didn't always get to it, but I really want to have planner systems in place that just make sense and that I actually use, you know? All right, so we're gonna do to go, to call, no, to go. No, yes, to go, to call. To call is the last one because we're not calling people. We don't like to talk on the phone that much. So I only leave like 2 slots for that because, I mean, really, I don't have too many people that I need to call on a regular basis, you know? It's just not my preferred method of communication. All right. That is in there. Now let's talk about videos. First of all, let's talk about the pen that I'm about to use. I'm going to go back to an oldie but goodie, and that is just the good old Tool 0.7. Freaking love this pen. One of my all-time favorites, and yeah, I'm just excited to use it again. Okay, so first up, I do want to put down the videos for the week, and since I already planned out, so for videos this week, it's obviously going to be the Plan With Me that you're watching right now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the compact vertical Plan With Me on Wednesday. Super excited about that. And then the July Plan With Me on Friday, just in time for July actually being here. So that's the videos for the week, and as a matter of fact, everything is already filmed, so now it's just a matter of getting things edited. Not gonna lie, the start of this pen was not fabulous. I think it might be a new one and it might need some warming up, but I'm not liking it right now, which is kind of disappointing because I hyped it up so much, but it is what it is. Okay, so Monday I don't have a lot of major things going on, but I do have some training that I'm gonna be a part of, and so that is happening at 2 o'clock on Monday. And I'm actually presenting at that meeting slash training situation, so I'm a little bit excited about that, but also not gonna lie, I'm also a little bit nervous about it, so I'm actually gonna work on that over the weekend. Fun times working on work things over the weekend. Okay, there is that. And then on Tuesday, I have got one meeting at 10 o'clock, which works for me. And then on Wednesday, I actually have an interview at 11 o'clock. Haven't had one of those in a minute, but I'm excited about this one, which I also realize we're going to have to move that meeting because the other person that's supposed to be sitting in on the interview is on vacation, and I'm actually working from home that day. So those are some other things that I'm going to have to put in here. But that is really it for work things. Now I want to make sure that I annotate like my day off. That is on Friday. Very excited about that. So Jessie actually has vacation this week, but I'm kind of like a straggler with the vacation situation simply because my vacation doesn't renew till August. His vacation ends. His last day to take it is June 30th. So luckily I'm able to get some work from home days in, but on Friday I'm truly taking that day off because we're really hoping that it is going to be a beach day. All right, and for those two, I'm just gonna use these little stars right here and just kind of put those next to those. So it's kind of good that, see, this Plan With Me helped me realize like, hey, we've got to make some adjustments to this schedule because that interview is definitely going to have to get moved. And I hate to do that, but if not all the right people are there for the interview, then we have to bring people back in for yet another interview, which is really, really aggravating for a candidate. So I like to avoid that at all costs. All right, and so then on Wednesday evening, I actually have a training. So I joined Plan with Lore, my friend Lore's social star program. I'm super excited about it. So it's part of her Patreon, and we have a content planning thing going on there. So I want to make sure that I obviously mark that off. All right, so then on Friday, that's gonna be our beach day. So I think I'm gonna use, I grabbed the full boxes, and I think I wanna grab this one simply because I can write beach day in there. I think we've decided which beach we're going to. I'm super excited. But yeah, I'm excited because we're actually all off. It's been very hard to get all of our schedules together to sync up to where we all have time off. So I'm really, really excited about this. And then we also have something really fun happening on Saturday. But let me get this beach day down, and I'll write in the beach after. I might even leave some space for pictures, or still put full boxes. But then leave space for pictures there. And then on Saturday, we actually have tickets to go see the Savannah Bananas. If you guys don't know, that is Savannah's minor league baseball team. I really don't know how they're minor league though, but I get it. They're more entertainment than actual like competitive. I don't know really how to put it, but anyway, it is a fantastic time. I highly suggest that you check out the Savannah Bananas over on TikTok or even on their Instagram. They share their videos on both platforms, but they are just really, really entertaining to watch. So we're going to do that on Saturday. And I think I'm going to use a half box for that. I'll probably end up filling most of this day with half boxes as well, because there's probably going to be some pictures. I also mentioned, or you guys will see in my July plan with me, that I'm going to use this page over here for memory keeping. So what's kind of nice is if I have a lot of extra photos, I'll be able to take those and put them over here if I need to on this page on the dashboard area. So that's awesome that there's a little bit more breathing room in this planner to do that with. Okay, now on Sunday, obviously need to make sure we have food for the upcoming week. So we're going to get some groceries done, probably fairly early in the morning. I really want to use up the half boxes, but I don't want to also eat up all the space with all of that. This will do. And I'm not really sure why I wrote with this marker on these, but then with the pen on here, I just realized like this whole, anyway, we're gonna figure it out. All right, so on Sunday, I want to make sure that I spend some time editing videos. Oh, it's gonna kind of bug me that I've used two pens, but it's fine. Let's make sure we get that done. So edit YouTube videos and get everything ready for the week. I usually get everything filmed on Friday and then we'll edit over the weekend, but by Sunday evening, I really need to have everything ready to go so that I'm not stressed about it during the week. Now, what I really want to do is create some space for workouts. I kind of share in the upcoming compact vertical plan with me that I want to figure out a way to not have to repeat things so much, but also understand that, you know, some things will get repeated because I'm still trying to figure out what planner system I'm going to use. So I'm going to use these little flags that actually come in the compact vertical kit over here because I think that they're actually perfect and just the tiniest size. But that's going to be where I put my workouts in the hourly. For me, it's motivating, even if it is in multiple spaces, to track my workouts. Like, it is extremely motivating for me. So I definitely want to get that done. And my goal is, even if it's not like a full-on like HIIT workout day, that I at least do yoga and or some sort of meditation in there as well. All right, then I want to make sure that I carve out, do I want to put meals in here? That's something that I wasn't really sticking to before. So part of me is like, maybe that doesn't make sense to continue doing it. So I think we're just gonna leave not writing the meals down for this week. We'll see how things work out. Let's put down some of the full boxes and see where we are at with all of this, because oh my God, the full boxes for this kit are gorgeous. Oh my God. Do we want to go with, yeah, let's do this one right about here. And then we'll go with this one. I like that there is some like taupe sort of beige colors in here. it kind of really works with the theme of this planner, which makes me really excited. Let's see. We won't put a half box or a full box there. We will put one here. And then I think we'll use this one here. And then on Sunday, I'm just not gonna use a full box there because I need to put in other things like cleaning the house, which is over here. That needs to happen on Saturday. Actually, I think I just said Saturday, but it needs to happen on Sunday. And I think what I'm gonna do is cut the clean house in half and like stack the words. It's just how I prefer it. When it goes too far across like that, I'm like, oh, it doesn't make sense in my brain, but that again is just how I am. And then we need to put a little heart there just because to fill the space. They have it look like it makes sense. All right, and then we're gonna do trash day as well. Forgot about that on Friday. Can't forget about trash day. Oh my goodness. And lately we have been like going through a lot of spaces in our house. Like we had so much cardboard last weekend that we actually had to take it to the local recycling place because it was too much for them to come pick up. But anyway, it feels good to get that stuff out of the garage and just, yeah, in a different space. All right, then I'm gonna put some planner time down for Friday night. And I'm just gonna use, actually let's use this half box right here. That'll be a fun little, I don't know, relaxation type of thing after the beach. And use this stack of books here, even though it's not planners. I mean, it kind of looks like planners. That will work, that will work. Okay, I think I've got everything down for the week. Oh my gosh, this turned out really, really good, with the exception of me suddenly feeling the need to use permanent marker on those 2 stickers, which I could seriously switch out if it really bothered me, which it kind of is. Anyway, that is it for this week's Plan With Me. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you are already subscribed, make sure you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.